Hey guys, we have here our Dodge Hornet, and in this video we want to explain to you how to show the current fuel consumption in the right circle of the instrument cluster panel. So this is pretty easy but not really obvious. So we start out by pressing the button here on the lower left on the steering wheel, and we're pressing this usually 2 times until there's this aura showing up in the right circle. See this aura here right now. So right now we can here adjust what we're going to display here in the right circle. So if we turn the wheel 1 time, then we're going to see here the average fuel consumption and also the current fuel consumption. If you turn it 1 more time, it's actually showing here the tire pressure. But we are interested in looking at the fuel consumption, so we're going to turn it some more until we see this here. So now on the top part here we see the current fuel consumption. So right now we're just standing here, it's not going to show us anything. And on the bottom we see the average fuel consumption. So as soon as we start driving, the current fuel consumption is eventually going to show us some information. So let me put the vehicle in drive, and we're going to slowly drive around here in this parking lot. So you see here right away that there's the values are now showing up, and they're updating about once a second. And then just below that we see here the average fuel consumption, which does not update quite as often. Yeah, okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.